I don't think any of us will forget the year 2020. First, we saw the horrific summer bushfires, which put us in the global spotlight and gave us a real taste of the impacts of climate change. Then we saw the whole world become gripped by a global pandemic. The world is changing. I'm not so worried for myself, but I'm very worried for my grandchildren. We've seen how effective our governments can be as they face this latest crisis. They put party politics aside, they listened to the experts, and they worked together, and we supported them in communities around the country. I know that climate change is an even bigger looming crisis that also needs big solutions. That can happen fast. So on top of our individual actions on climate change, we need governments to act using the same approach and with our support. That's why my journey of thinking I've got to do more about climate change brought me to Citizens Climate Lobby. Citizens Climate Lobby is a group of everyday Australians who work to build the political will to accelerate climate change solutions. I'm Tom, and I'm one of those everyday Australians. Politicians don't build political will. The people do. We do. We meet with politicians directly, all of them, not just the ones who already agree with us. We also write letters and get involved in all sorts of other ways. When you've got an issue that's been polarised like climate change, the most effective way to get people on board is to build a respectful relationship with them, to find common ground, and then to discuss solutions. Now, it feels good to work like this, and the best thing is that it actually works. It works with our family, it works with our neighbours, and it also works with our elected representatives. So this respectful approach is really at the heart of CCL, and it's part of what makes our approach so powerful. Well, these days, exciting climate change solutions are happening everywhere around us, from renewable energy to carbon farming to electric vehicles. And many experts are keen to have all these fabulous technologies be a key part of rebuilding our economy, which has been affected so much by the pandemic. But if we are to reverse climate change, there must be large-scale transition to all the best solutions, and it must happen faster. The solution that can make this a reality, and that CCL advocates for, is a carbon pricing solution called carbon fee and dividend. This solution will unlock investment and catalyse climate-smart industries. It has strong support from some of the world's most prominent climate advocates, business leaders, and economists. They describe it as a critical step towards limiting and reversing climate change. Right now, it might seem an ambitious aim, with many challenges ahead. But with your help, CCL's advocacy plan will, step by step, bring us closer to this core solution and a livable world. And the good news is we don't need thousands of people to get the message to our MPs. Half a dozen people in each electorate bringing this message directly to their MPs and to their community can have a huge impact. More members than that would be a bonus and will enable us to do even more. So if you're ready to carry this message to your MP and to your community, or if you just want to learn more about this vital issue, then we're ready to show you how. So let's take the handbrake off and get money flowing through our economy towards the climate solutions of the 21st century. Why don't you join us? Learn more and sign up at ccl.org.au.